With the increasing influence of the EPCB brand, more and more users choose EPCB. In the process of serving, EPCB will track all aspects of procurement and production in a timely manner, feed back relevant information to the customer, and go through repeated inspections before shipment. Thermal oil boiler sent to Bangladesh. Before preparing to ship, our staff will carefully check the goods to ensure that all the goods are sent. Reasonable arrangement of the boiler and accessories, not wasting every inch of space. Auxiliary machine and instrument valve. Oil storage tank. Expansion tank. Boiler body. Chimney. EPCB arranges staff to fix all goods on the car very meticulously to ensure the safety of transportation. It takes about 1.5 hours. The materials are prepared together to ensure that customers can put into production at the fastest speed. EPCB, your private boiler system expert.